And look at your letter A. Hands down. Just open that rein. Good girl. Now look at the letter C. And ride her straight to the letter C. And then do a little turn at the end of the arena and park in front of the start line. And ask her to whoa. Now ask her to back up.